Hey guys, welcome back to RS Car Premium. So we have got an Innova 2013 model to get it completely upgraded. So let me tell you what all upgrades we are going to do and how many days it is going to take and what all changes we are going to get it done. So the first thing what we are going to do over here is we are going to completely repaint it and change the bumper, the headlights, the grills. So other major thing what we are going to upgrade over here is auto folding mirror. Presently we have a manual mirror. We are going to change it to an auto folding mirrors. We are going to change the complete seat covers of the same color with the dashboard and door pad as well, and we are going to completely change your flooring mat as well with the steering wrap. And customer wanted a 360-degree camera, so we are going to use RS Car Premium Android system. So guys, finally Innova has been upgraded. So if you see here, right, it's completely painted like a new car. And if you see here, right, the headlight has been upgraded, fog light has been upgraded, tail lights has been upgraded with 5 pieces. And in this Innova, you don't get an auto folding mirror, so we have done with an auto folding mirror. So completely the external has been upgraded. So caliper also has been painted to red and we have made it look like a new car. So if you guys wanted to get your car upgraded, please reach out to RS Car Premium.
Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure. Wake up in the AM making G's like Mercedes.